Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the dollar bead box unboxing for June of 2024. And I get this is a monthly box that I receive. I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave the link in the description below along with the coupon code if you're interested. But it is really a great box to receive every month. And so I also get the Check Fire polish. It's 8 strands for $8 that you can add on to this box. Look at these colors this month. So pretty. Let me start out here with the June 2024 dollar bead bag Check Fire polish. Ooh. This is like tangerine and sunshine. So we get 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. So the 3mm strands, get these, and they are the crystal or matte orange sherbet, hyacinth, crystal yellow lined, which probably is that one, and crystal or matte vibrant blue green. So that's that. Look at how pretty these are. I mean, you got to admit, you can't beat this. These are so pretty. And then these, the 4mm strands, are crystal or matte hyacinth, matte or matte opaque tangerine, that would be this one, a crystalline yellow or fern green, and opaque light green AB. So then we have these. I mean, each one of these, you could use this to make a bracelet. You could get 4 bracelets for $4. So they're so pretty. Look at all these together. And I love it because, like with the orange, you get one that's a little matte, one that's crystal, and vice versa, you know. So if you need a 3mm, you got one. If you need a 4mm, you got one. So we have all those, and let me get to the box. Okay, this is for June 2024. This box we decided to mix things up with a mix-up of summer colors, just as any combination of flowers can be made a visual delight. So can any combination of beads. The fun is being able to surprise yourself with all the possibilities. For even more inspiration, be sure to see all this month's options by going to current dollar bead box items on the website. And this is the list of all the stuff you get in the box. Oh, I see color already. Ooh. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at those. Wow, this is a very colorful box. So pretty. Let me get everything set up. Okay, so we're starting with the Check Glass Druck in light yellow. There's 50 pieces. It's 4mm. This is really pretty. We have this. Look at all of these. Look at all of these we have. Next is the 4mm Check Glass Pearl in Peach. And there's 40 pieces on here. This is a really pretty color. And next is the 5mm Check Fire Polish Peridot AB or Fern Green AB, 25 pieces. These are so pretty. I love all the sparkle in them. Next is a 4mm Check Glass Druck in Hyacinth, 48 pieces. So pretty. And then we have 3x5mm Check Glass Gem Cut Rondelles in Light Peach, this looks more like pink to me. I'm not sure, but there's 25 pieces on that. And then here we have 6mm Lucerna bicones, opaque spring green or crystal leaf green, 25 pieces. And just this alone, look at all the strands you get. This isn't even including all the other ones. So we're starting with the 6x12mm check glass faceted bicones in orange white stripes, and there's 10 of them. These are cool. This just reminds me of like summer treats. Look how pretty these are. Like dreamsicles, and I remember eating those as a kid. And next is 9x12mm check glass tabular oval orange opal, 6 pieces, and it's like that. Such a pretty. So we have those. And next is 3x6mm check glass rondelles in orange opal, and there's 10 pieces, and the hole is right in the center. So pieces like this make really nice spacer beads. If you're, wanting to add a pop of color in between some beads or some metal beads or something like that, these work really well. And next is 10mm Thai Hill Tribe silver charms. There's 2 of them. If you could see those, and it's the back of it. Love those. And next is a 17x22mm check glass bumblebee opaque yellow with black wash, 1 piece. And I have a lot of these from them. They send these a lot. They send them in such different colors. So they're really cool. They're fun to have. You can add a little pop of interest to something. And next is 4x14 milligrams. Oh my gosh. 4x14 meters of check glass coins in opaque yellow. 4 pieces. Milligrams. Okay, so these are really cool. Talk about bright. These are really cool. Okay, and next are check glass squishy bicones in light yellow, 6x8mm. There's 10 pieces. It's funny that they call it squishy. It's a squishy bicone. But I could kind of see how they would say that. Nice, pretty summer color. And then they have them in green. There's 10. I left. There's still another one in the box, but it's the same exact shape. Very pretty. And next is the 18mm check glass daisy in light green. This is really pretty. It's got like it looks like it's got a copper wash on it. It's very pretty. I love using these when I make pendants for necklaces, or you could put a head pin through there and use it as a charm on a bracelet. You can do a lot with these. And next is 18mm check glass daisies in, wait, no, 7x10mm check glass tulips, ice blue or opaque turquoise. And there's 10 pieces. And these are really pretty. You can do a lot with these. And some of them are more transparent on one side and not the other, and some are transparent all the way through. Each one's just a little bit different, but that's what makes them fun. And then there's 2 left. 8mm check glass acid etched Drux in green, orange, and yellow mix, 6 pieces. These look like, I could be dating myself, and I don't even know if they have them anymore because I probably wouldn't eat them. But do you remember Jawbreakers? Remember when you used to get Jawbreakers when you were a kid, and that's what these remind me of. But they're really cool. They'd be used for earrings. And last but not least, this is so cute. 12 by 15mm tiara cast turtle bead antique silver palette. 1 piece. I see turtles all the time down here in Florida. Look how cute that is. They'll be crossing the street, or they'll be just swimming in the lake when I'm out on my walks in the morning. So cute. I love turtles. They're so cute. So that is the unboxing for the dollar bead box for June of 2024. And I hope you liked it. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave all their information below, as well as the coupon code and the link to their website. And I will also leave all of my information below, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook, if you'd like to follow me on there. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will have another video coming up. I hope you enjoy it, and you have a great day.